So sometimes it's very interesting. It can go from, one group that are here for an execution, there's a lot of laughter, there's a lot of remembering all the fun times. So they're laughing, they're talking about the stories of remember when, and even while they're on that phone call with them, they'll be, laughing and talking and doing that, passing the phone around, and everybody's all excited, and so it's just a really exciting time. I've even had a mother and a grandmother who sat here just singing praise choruses and songs and praising the Lord, and their church was praying, and they were all hyper and excited, and everything was great, laughing and talking, and they thought he was going to get a stay of execution. He got one before. They expected him to get it again, and it didn't happen. So, sometimes there are the high expectations that are then dashed the closer it gets to 5 o'clock, which is when they leave. The chaplains meet with them at 3 o'clock to go over exactly what they'll witness while they're in the death chamber. So they sit down with all the witnesses, talk through all of those details with them so that they make sure there's no surprises, no screaming, crying. They don't want anybody fainting or anything. So they are very gentle, they're very caring in how they present that and try to really help prepare them. They're very sensitive to the family's needs at that time, and letting them know, to have enough information to be able to feel good about what they're going to be doing as witnesses, but not to overwhelm and stress them any unduly or any further. So they're very careful in how they handle all that. Then at 5 o'clock they leave to go over to the unit then for the execution, if they've not gotten a phone call. Then by 5 o'clock, then generally that means it's going to go through. And so they go on over there at 5 o'clock then for the family to be able to go into the death chamber then